हरिः कर्ता।
So we have imported image data into numpy arrays. Now it's time to plot that numpy array as image. So we have our data in numpy array. So we are either by generating it. So now let's render it in matplotlib. So this is performed using imshow method, imshow method or imshow function. So let's do that. So plotting numpy arrays as images. Numpy arrays as images. So let's grab the plot object. Let's grab the plot object. So image plot is equals to plt.imshow of. So and put the give image numpy array as input to the imshow. That's img. And here is that. Oh, it's pretty cool. Nice, nice. It's looking good. Okay. Of course, we got something else. The array, but this array has created this image. Of course, you can create a similar kind of arrays and you can create different types of images on your own. You can become an artist now. See, normally to create an image, you should be a painter or something, but with with your matplotlib and one more module, we are able to create our own images. We are becoming creators. That's okay. It's done. So now we can also plot any numpy array similar way. So this is the converted array, but similarly any numpy array can be converted as image similar to this.